Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Dhanyashree B from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I am giving a presentation on financial reporting requirements. Let us go for introduction. Financial reporting requirements are rules and regulations that dictate how organizations must prepare and present their financial statements to the public and stakeholders. These requirements are designed to ensure transparency, accuracy, and consistency in financial reporting. Compliance with financial reporting requirements is essential for maintaining credibility and trust with investors, creditors, and other stakeholders. Importance of financial reporting. Financial reporting provides key information about a company's financial performance and position, allowing stakeholders to make informed decisions. It helps investors access the company's profitability and financial health. Accurate and timely financial reporting can enhance a company's reputation and access to capital. Key components of financial reporting. The main components of financial reporting include the balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, and statement of changes in equity. These reports provide a comprehensive view of a company's financial performance, liquidity, and solvency. Notes to the financial statements provide additional details and explanation for better understanding. Regulatory bodies and standards. Financial reporting requirements are established by regulatory bodies such as the Securities and Exchange Commission in the US and the International Accounting Standards Board globally. The generally accepted accounting principles and international financial reporting standards are the most commonly used standards for financial reporting. Compliance with these standards ensures consistency and comparability of financial information across companies. Role of auditors in financial reporting. Auditors play a critical role in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of financial reports. They examine financial statements to verify compliance with accounting standards and regulations. Independent audit provides assurance to stakeholders that the financial information is free from material misstatements. Internal controls and compliance. Strong internal controls are essential for ensuring compliance with financial reporting requirements. Companies must establish policies and procedures to safeguard assets, maintain accurate records, and prevent fraud. Compliance with internal controls helps mitigate risk and ensures the integrity of financial reporting. Disclosure requirements. Financial reporting requirements include specific disclosure requirements for certain transactions, events, and risks. Companies must disclose relevant information that could impact stakeholders' decision making. Transparent and comprehensive disclosures enhance the credibility and trustworthiness of financial reports. Technology and financial reporting. Advances in technology such as automation and data analytics are transforming financial reporting processes. Companies are leveraging software tools to streamline financial reporting, improve accuracy, and enhance efficiency. Technology can help companies meet reporting deadlines and adapt to changing regularity requirements. Challenges in financial reporting. Complex accounting standards and regulations can pose challenges for companies in preparing financial reports. Ensuring consistency and comparability across different reporting periods and entities can be a daunting task. Compliance with evolving regulatory requirements requires ongoing training and resources. Future trends in financial reporting. The future of financial reporting is expected to be influenced by technology, data analytics, and sustainability reporting. Integrated reporting, which combines financial and non financial information, is gaining traction as a more holistic approach to reporting. Stakeholder engagement and transparency will continue to be central themes is shaping the future of financial reporting. Best practices in financial reporting. Adopting a systematic approach to financial reporting, including regular reviews and updates, can enhance the quality of reports. Companies should invest in training and development to ensure staff are equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge. Engaging with stakeholders and soliciting feedback on financial reports can help identifying areas for improvement and build trust. Here is the final part of this presentation. Financial reporting requirements play a crucial role in maintaining transparency and accountability in the business world. Compliance with these requirements is essential for building credibility with stakeholders and ensuring informed decision making. By adhering to best practices and staying abreast of regulatory developments, companies can navigate the complexities of financial reporting. Thank you.